بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Apple.
A round fruit with firm, white flesh and a green, red, or yellow skin.
Banana.
A long, curved fruit with a thick yellow skin and sweet soft flesh inside.
Cherry.
A small soft round fruit with shiny red or black skin and a large seed inside.
Damson.
The sour, dark blue fruit, like a plum.
Fig.
A sweet, soft purple, or green fruit with many seeds.
Grape.
A small, round, purple or pale green fruit that grows in bunches and you can eat or make into wine.
Elderberry.
A small black berry that grows in bunches on an elder tree. It can be used in cooking or making wine.
Guava.
A round yellow skin tropical fruit with pink or white flesh and hard seeds.
Peach.
A round fruit with sweet yellow flesh and a large seed in its center.
Loquat.
A round pale orange fruit that grows on bushes in China, Pakistan and India, etc. Do like, share and subscribe please. It is all for you.
बराह करम लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें, ये सब आपके लिए है।